Hi and welcome back to the channel. Last week I've posted a video about the Beeline Moto, a small navigation device from the company Beeline. I've been using it for a couple of weeks now and I really love it. It's precise, it's small, it looks really beautiful on your handlebars and it just does what it's supposed to do. Now only a couple of days ago Beeline introduced the Beeline Moto II.
Introducing Beeline Moto II. Beautifully simple navigation for motorcycles. Featuring an upgraded navigation interface, an enhanced larger color display, and a brand new design. Moto II is the best looking, least distracting motorbike navigation system you can buy.
Now I don't own the Beeline 2 Moto just yet, but I'm planning to get it as soon as possible to do a full review and unboxing. But I thought it would be interesting to do a comparison with the Beeline Moto II to the original one. Now what exactly are the changes that they made? Well, for starters, they actually listened to a lot of users and the screen is now much larger. You get actually turn-by-turn navigation, and before you had the little dot which told you when your next turn would be and in which direction your next turn would be. Now it's a really clear arrow that shows you your next turn is either left, right, or whatever. And it also tells you in a much clearer way if there's a roundabout coming up or whatever. So navigating, especially in a city that you don't know, well, in this case would be much easier than with the original one. So they made the screen better, but they also improved the controls on the device itself. Because in the original one you have 4 buttons, top, bottom, left and right. And here you have the same buttons, but they are actually on the top of the device. So it would be much easier to press them, to navigate through the menus while you're riding, or to, look up your speed, how much time there's left before your final arrival. So I do think they addressed a lot of the problems or issues that the original Beeline Moto had. So all in all, I'm really looking forward to test the Beeline Moto II out and put out a full review. Thanks for watching and we'll see each other in the next video.